Hi, have you ever heard the phrase, cut your losses and let your profits grow? Even though it's a basic principle of successful trading, we often find ourselves not applying it, usually due to fear or greed. This is why traders came up with a tool called the trailing stop loss. A trailing stop loss is in order to buy or sell a stock if it moves above or below a certain percentage or fixed amount of the current market price. So how does this work? Well, when the price of a stock goes up, the stop loss increases with it, helping us to lock in profits. When the stock price goes down, however, the stop loss price remains at the maximum level it reached, protecting us from a downtrend. This means that trailing stop loss helps us cut our losses and maximize our profits. In this example, we can see how the trailing stop loss has been updated to its current level, securing us at least 20% profit. With the Capitalise trading platform, creating trading strategies and applying trailing stop loss to them is simple. All we have to do is enter our entry criteria, for example, buy 1,000 units of euro dollar, and as an exit criteria, we will write close position at a trailing stop loss of either $40 or perhaps 5%. And that is it. All we now have to do is confirm and we're set. Thank you for watching. Enjoy Capitalise trading platform.